A cruise ship is a tremendous vehicle that travels on water. The tremendous size of the cruise ship will allow it to carry a tremendous amount of people on board. As it relates to a super yacht is a large boat that travels on the water as well. However, a yacht or a super yacht has a tall mast. It may have several masts that holds the sails to help propel the ship forward or the super yacht forward when traveling on the ocean waters. A sailing boat is designed to carry a small amount of individuals seeking to have fun and entertainment on the waters.